我们现在就欢迎洪文议员为我们讲话。
谢谢你们。I'm gonna try to speak Chinese, okay? I took one semester of Chinese, so I'm gonna test if I made a mistake. You can correct me. 你好，我的名字是侯祝福，是我的中国的中国的名字。我是美乐斯巴的参议员。我去湖南过了一次，我去北京2次，台湾2次。他们看我们，因为我看像东方人，对不对？他们说为什么你像中国人，为什么你不会讲中文？
讲得很好啊！
我说对，我不会讲中文，因为我是湖南人。
好。
今天我很高兴glad to see my family from Hunan. If next time, if possible, we can meet again. And so today, I want to give you a present. This is the first Hmong growler beer in St. Paul called TygaBite. Yeah. 胡子窑。我们要给你你的人 all the
给你们
artisan.
Yeah.
I want to present this to artisans, so I know that maybe they cannot take overseas, but they can enjoy it this evening. Okay?
Oh, thank you.
So, I'm so glad to see you, and I'm glad that we're taking a little longer than we need to, but you're very, very patient and move little tiny steps at a time. So hopefully in next week it will be completed. So I'm looking forward to that day. So I'm very happy to see all of you guys. Come see me at the Capitol, or come to see me East Side St. Paul, and come to see me at the Friendship Garden. All right, so thank you very much.